This is the emergency broadcast system. There's undistracted Kaufmo. The undistracted Kaufmo affected areas from towns, cities, school, Central Park, playground, marketplace, and amusement park. Undistracted Kaufmo can spread to harming animals, peoples, and flowers and other cities. The undistracted Kaufmo is coming on 1 o'clock. We are sorry to have a very bad news for your programming. However, we have something important and very sad to tell you all. You made Peccola and Coco sad! Recently, it has been discovered that undistracted Kaufmo called the extremely clown were harming to release peoples and children to deaths. The undistracted Kaufmo will strike at 10 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. There is nothing we can do to stop it. Abstracted Kaufmo will be harming from animals, plants, sea creatures, insects, and other peoples. Those are unlike the abstracted Kaufmo will look like this. Take a look at the video.
I've been looking for this. Thanks for keeping an eye on it, Coffee. I'm gonna head out. See ya.
Oh! Kaufmo's been obstructed. It's okay.
What is that?
It might be that terrible thing I was talking about earlier when you reach your breaking point. Okay, wait. Maybe there's still time to fix them before we get Kane. Well, listen. I know we didn't always get along, like when you called me out for fake laughing at your jokes. I swear I really did think they were funny. I was just having a bit of a bad day. Help me out here. I understand. You don't want to go. I'm sorry.
If you have any reasons, please stay safe at home and close all the windows and doors before abstracted Kaufmo will not seize me. Please close the blind curtains and don't look at the abstracted Kaufmo. And now, we will be presenting a music video called Kingdom by Phantom Sage and Miss Lena. Please stand by before the channel is closing down at 6 p.m. Goodbye! We are sworn to mend the bond that we have torn. Raise a storm and go where For what?